Hello mga Zay! Now we are going to prepare a scallop na ready na nimo siya i-air fryer or a microwave anytime you need it, especially if you're going from work or kanang busy gid ka, you're a busy person. Then you just have to melt the butter, add some seasoning like salt, pepper, sugar, and oyster sauce if you have. Then let it be little brown, the garlic, and then okay na dayon, and then you may add cheese later. Naka-off na ang kuan mga day, ang gasol. We add the grated quick melt. So, we'll transfer it in the container para anytime gamitin niyo mo siya, mag-bake na ka or imo siyang i-air fry, ready na dayon diretso. Because sometimes busy ta sa work, so diretso na nato siyang i-bake. Dili na ta magkuha na lang kag a scoop and then put it in the scallop. So for this video that we wanted to use microwave or air fryer for in baking the scallop. So first of all, I would like to steam the scallop para I wanted to make sure it's really cooked before putting it in the oven, on the microwave or in the air fryer, because we're not going to use oven in this video. Now we're going to bake the scallop in the air fryer. So we added the cream garlic butter and the cheese together. And then we're going to bake it for about 7 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius in the air fryer. See, so yummy guys, and very easy, very convenient, especially if you are a working person. So pag uli nimo, you can immediately load it in the air fryer and then ready to eat that fast.